Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to mark a communities as read on Messenger on PC with the new update. It's a simple process that will help you keep your messages organized and easily accessible. First, open your Messenger account on your PC. Once you're logged in, find the communities that you want to mark as read. These could be group chats, events, or any other type of community you're a part of on Messenger. Next, hover over the community you want to mark as read and click on the three dots that appear next to it. This will bring up a menu of options for that specific community. Now click on the option that says Mark as Read. This will automatically update the community as read, making it easier for you to keep track of which messages you've already viewed. And that's it. You've successfully marked a communities as read on Messenger on PC with the new update. Remember to repeat these steps for any other communities you want to mark as read. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time.